In this video, I'm going to show you some simple steps on how to see just a one-page view of your assignments and your grades in each class. So you'll want to be signed into your Canvas dashboard, and Card View is the automatic setup for your dashboard. But if you go up to the top right and click on these three different dots, then you have some other views that are available, and you'll want to click on List View. And when you click on List View, it's going to bring you to your to-do history. And so I'm set up in a demo student account, and you can see I have dates from the past and also, future dates with different assignments that are posted here in that class. Now, when you come to your list view, it should show all of your assignments in all of your classes. However, these will only be assignments that are being taken for a grade. So you still do have to go through your modules for each class and mark items as done after you've gone through those lessons, but you will be able to see all of your quizzes and graded assignments on this page. And once you have completed one of those assignments, you're going to see if it's graded, if it's late. If you have not completed that assignment, it will just show up with a timestamp, and you'll know that you have to complete that assignment still. If you'd like to see all of your grades in one spot, what you'll do is you'll go back up to the top right and you'll click on this notebook icon, and then this window will pop up and it's going to show all of your grades in all of your classes. So I hope that this quick little tutorial is helpful. And if you have any questions about it, just let me know.